गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। आज का प्लान है बेंगलोर के तरफ हम निकल रहे हैं आज रोड ट्रिप टू बेंगलोर टू विज़िट माय फैमिली एंड दीदी मम्मी पापा सब वहीं पर हैं। तो आज मैंने प्लान किया है कि क्यों ना एक माइलेज टेस्ट हो जाए Hyundai Grand i10 का। दिस इज़ अ 2013 मॉडल और चल चुकी है 50,000 प्लस किलोमीटर्स एंड पेट्रोल है। तो प्लान ये है कि इसको सेडेटली एक बार चलाएं और माइलेज टेस्ट करें और फिर थोड़ा इसको पुश करते हैं 80 to 100। वैसे ये 80 आराम से कर लेती है। सो अभी है टाइम 11:45। निकलते निकलते 12 बज जाएंगे। ये है किलोमीटर्स ऑन दी ओडो ऑफ दी Hyundai Grand i10 2013 मॉडल। 6 साल के ऊपर हो गया है एंड इट्स अबाउट टू कंप्लीट 7 years एंड इट्स स्टिल रनिंग गुड। लेट्स सी। तो हम पेट्रोल फुल विल फिल पेट्रोल टू द ब्रिम। आज 8609 है। ಓಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲ So this is the final petrol gone into the car 33.14। So जैसे आप देख रहे हैं the petrol is full। It will go still further F and we'll reset the tip meter here। Trip B0 is also reset time and trip A। So yep, so the plan is to drive on the Hampi Expressway। It will be a majorly highway run between Hospet and Bangalore। So the first stretch between Hospet and Chitradurga, I'll be riding it between 60 to 80 and beyond Chitradurga I'll be riding above 80 to 100। So let's see how much mileage we get when you ride sedately between 60 to 80 on a highway। Exiting Hospet. As you can see the board, Bangalore is 333 kilometers। Let the journey begin।
ଜାଗା ଆଉ ଟିକେ ପଛକୁ ଯିବ କି ଆଗକୁ ଆସିବ।
This is the famous
କ'ଣ ଅଛି?
Hospet tunnel.
यहाँ पे खुद का हॉर्न खुद से।
तो 1 घंटा हम चल चुके हैं हॉस्पेट से एंड वी हैव ड्रिवन अराउंड 63 kilometers and we are maintaining an average speed of 62 and we have not crossed 80. हाँ थोड़ी जगह में क्रॉस हुआ है 80, 85 but that's it. We are maintaining a very sedate speed and the highway is really good. As always, the Hampi Expressway is a delight. I'll show you. तो ऐसे हैं नज़ारे. Sorry for the crack in the windshield. I think it's disturbing, but देखते हैं क्या करना होगा. I think mostly windshield ही change करना पड़ेगा. But enjoy the views. This is en route Chitradurga, and we are doing a mileage run to home, to my sister's place in Bangalore. So we are maintaining speeds as I told 60 to 80 and our average speed is 62, which is quite good. 17. So we are about to reach Chitradurga. As you can see, the town. As you can see, the town ahead. Not sure if you are able to see. That's Chitradurga. Another 10 minutes, and we have done around 116 kilometers at an average speed of 66 kilometers per hour. So yeah, let's stop for fuel and see how much mileage did we get by driving in the speed of 60 to 80. We have entered the Pune-Bangalore highway at Chitradurga, a very familiar place on the Pune-Bangalore highway. So yeah, we have done around how much? 123 kilometers in under 2 hours. So it's now time to check the mileage of this car. As you can see, we have driven 127 kilometers to Chitradurga, and the average speed is 66. We have maintained, and we have done it in 1 hour 56. Time to check the mileage here. Huh? Full tank.
ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾಕಿದು
ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ 60 ರೂಪಾಯಿ
ಹಾಕಿ ಇನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ. Okay, it is full till the brim.
ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
Okay. Yes, close ಮಾಡಿ. 184. Surprise. We have filled in 5.52 liters, and kilometers run is 127.4. So the mileage. So as we are speaking of mileage, see this, it's all in the habit, the driving habit. So if you keep it in the range of 60 to 80 on highway, you're surely gonna get good mileage. Be it car, be it two-wheeler also. 60 to 80 is what the even the companies also recommend to drive. So if you want good mileage, I would recommend and advise to ride at 60 to 80. If you are in a hurry and you still want mileage, I think 90 to 100 is the sweet spot of a car. So yeah, keep your right foot always light if you want good mileage out of your car. you can do 80 to 90 also, 90 to 100 also, and with a light food, but don't expect the maximum. The maximum will come only in 60 to 80 on a petrol car.